Greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we shall learn how to create and import customer and vendors in Axanta ERP. In Axanta ERP, all your business contacts, whether they are customers, vendors, or any other entities you interact, are managed under a single concept called partners. A partner can represent anyone: an individual, a company, a customer, or a vendor. This approach makes managing relationships, transactions, and communications much simpler. For example, a customer is simply a partner you sell products or services, while a vendor is a partner you buy goods or services from. Interestingly, the same partner can be both a customer and a vendor, depending on your business needs. This ensures that all your interactions, sales, purchases, invoices, payments, and communications are tracked in one place, making your business processes streamlined and efficient. In order to create a new customer, go to the menu, go to Accounting module, and here you will find Customers. Click on Customers, and here you will find All Customers. To create, click on New. Here, you can mark the customer as individual or a company. We need to enter the customer name, let's say Global Mart for this example. Then, you can add various details such as address, phone number, mobile number, email, and so on. Under Contact and Address, you can see multiple contact and address to create. Click on Add. From here you can create multiple contacts, invoice address, delivery address, and so on. Then, under Sales and Purchase tab, if it is customer, it is marked as true. And, in the case where you are creating a vendor, a vendor option will be marked as true. In the case where you have enabled both these options, then the partner will be treated as receivable as well as payable. If you have a special price list for this customer, so here you can provide the price list as well. In case where you are creating a vendor, here you can give the supplier currency as well. Then under Invoicing tab, you can see the total receivable. Then by enabling this, you can define the credit limit. And to stop the credit limit, you can click here. Once all the details are entered, you can save it. This is how you can create customer or vendor manually in Axanta ERP. Now, let's see how to import the customers via Excel file. Click here. Click on Import Records. Click on Import Template Customer to download template. This is the default Excel file that gets downloaded when we choose to import customers, also known as partners. You can see various standard columns here, such as ID, name, is a company, related company, is a customer, is a vendor, address type, email, phone, mobile, and address details such as street, city, state, and so on. Now, let's say we want to import a customer along with its contacts. First, we start with the parent company. In the ID column, we assign a unique ID, for example ID 001. In the name column, we enter the customer name, such as Apex Trading. Since this is a company, we set as a company to true. Please note that true and false must always be entered in capital letters. If this partner is a customer, we set as a customer to true and as a vendor to false. In cases where the partner is both a customer and a vendor, we simply set both values to true. Below the parent company, we then add the contacts we want to create under this company. For each contact, we enter the unique ID, contact name, and in the related company or external ID column, we enter the same ID we assigned to the parent company, in this case ID 001. This links the contacts to the main company. One very important point to remember is the sequence. The parent company must always be listed first, and the contacts should come after it. If contacts are added before the parent company, the system will give an error during import. Next, in the address type column, we can define the role of the contact, such as contact, invoice, or delivery. We can also fill in other details like email, phone number, mobile number, and address information. If we want to add additional fields, for example a website, We can simply insert a new column in the Excel file and enter the exact field name as it exists in system. Similarly, we can add or remove columns based on our requirements. Once the file is ready, we save it. Click on Upload File. Select the file and click on Open. Here you can map the column. Click on Test in order to verify the file is correct or not. If it is valid, it is ready to import. Click on Import. This is how we can import the customers via Excel file in Axanta ERP.